Hey there, home cooks. I hope you're all ready for a delightful treat today. Welcome back to the channel. It's always a pleasure to have you here. Before we dive in, don't forget to click that subscribe button so you never miss out on our quick and easy recipes. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming up. Today, I've got a special treat that'll warm you up from the inside out. Hot spiced buttered rum in just 3 minutes. Perfect for those chilly evenings when you need something to cozy up with. All right. Let's get started with the ingredients. Make sure you have everything ready before we begin. You'll need 2 cups of water. This will be the base of our drink. 1 cup of dark rum. The rich flavor of dark rum is what makes this drink so special. 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. This will add a creamy texture to our drink. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. It adds a lovely sweetness and depth of flavor. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This will give our drink a wonderful aroma. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. A classic spice that brings warmth to any drink. 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. It adds a subtle nutty flavor. 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, just a hint to spice things up. A pinch of salt. This will balance out the sweetness. And finally, a cinnamon stick and an orange slice for garnish. These will make your drink look and taste even better. First, grab a small saucepan and pour in your 2 cups of water. Make sure your saucepan is clean and ready to go. Heat it over medium-high heat until it starts to simmer. You want it hot but not boiling. Now toss in that 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Watch as it melts and creates a smooth base. Let it melt and mix in perfectly. This will give our drink a rich, buttery flavor. Next up, add your 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. This will sweeten our drink just right. Give it a good stir until the sugar dissolves completely. You want a smooth, sweet mixture. Now let's spice things up. This is where the magic happens. Add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, and that pinch of salt. These spices will infuse our drink with warm, cozy flavors. Stir it all together and let those spices infuse the mixture with warm, cozy flavors. The aroma will be irresistible. Once everything's nicely blended, it's time to add the magic ingredient, 1 cup of dark rum. This will give our drink its signature kick. Pour it in, and then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that extra layer of deliciousness. The vanilla will enhance all the other flavors. Give it one last stir and let it heat through for about a minute. You want it to be nice and hot, but not boiling. Now it's time to serve. This is the moment we've been waiting for. Carefully pour your hot spiced buttered rum into your favorite mug. Make sure to handle it with care, as it will be hot. For a bit of flair, garnish with a cinnamon stick and an orange slice. This not only looks great, but adds a wonderful aroma. And there you have it, a perfect drink to warm you up on a cold day. In just 3 minutes, you've made yourself a cozy, comforting drink that's perfect for those chilly nights. It's like a warm hug in a mug. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy recipes. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, happy cooking. Stay warm and enjoy your delicious hot spiced buttered rum.